Soy Rashada District 17 usually consists of an apartment, mansion, and condo for tourists to rent. For the apartment, there are various prices of apartment that the tourist can choose whether to rent a cheap apartment or a high quality apartment or a condo for a long term of living. Below the apartment, there is a local food shop for the renters, and on the other side of the soil is a house that the owner of the house is making a small restaurant in the house as their business. The weather and climate in this soil is full of air pollution and kind of discourage people to walk on the street. The video is shooting from the middle of the soil to the beginning of the soil. You can see that from the middle of the soil there are no footpaths for walking, and the footpath will appear when getting closer to the beginning of the soil. Some of landowners choose to have a restaurant instead of a house. In this soil, there, there are various types of restaurants for tourists like seafood, somtam, and some restaurants are kind of specific to their customer. In this case, this soil is mostly consists of Chinese tourists, so there are a lot of shops, bars, and Chinese restaurants with Chinese language menu for Chinese tourists to read. This soil is also crossing a canal, and this soil also described as a scenic road that mode of car, taxi, and trucks are using this soil as a shortcut from Rashada Pisek Road to Vipavadi Langsit Road to escape a traffic jam from the major road that intersect together. To be more clear, this soil is acting like a branch from the Rashada Pisek Road, which is the main road that connect to Central Business District like Asok to Vipavadi Langsit Road, which is a super highway to Bangkok. In the soil, most restaurants and apartments are located on the right side of the soil when facing to the Rashada Pisek Road. On the left side are mostly house and condo. These features make diverse experience the mixing of local house and tourists are living together, and it also creates a sense of small business of a local people that are trying to make their house as their business too. As this soil is not an office or a big company business soil, so you can see a natural and various type of tree from different house, but there also have artificial tree from some condo too. And when we get even closer to the beginning of the soil, there will be more condo instead of house and apartment, and also a showroom of a house. In this case, on the right side, the landowner are kind of selling their land to build a house model for people to look and buy the idea of the house. On the beginning of the soil, there will be a motorcycle taxi for local people to ride from the beginning of the soil to their house. The motorcycle taxi platform is usually located near the condo or the beginning of the soil. This often happens to every motorcycle taxi platform for them to get more passengers both from the condo and the people that are coming to the soil. And when we get even closer to the beginning of the soil, there will have a mini mart instead of a local shop. And there will have a seafood vendor for people to buy before going to their condo, apartment, or house.